plasma particle discharge velocity is much higher than that of chemical
Maya
discharge
higher
systems,
impulse
allowing aircraft or rockets to accelerate much
impulse
faster in a
velocity.
vacuum. In addition, with the absence of a combustion process, it means that the engine's energy efficiency is very high and it is very fuel efficient.
Impulse pulse plasma rocket ng Russia, Roscosmos.
In a press release statement in February 2025, it was known that the average power that can be generated by the rocket when operating in periodic pulse mode or with a pulse thruster system, it was known to reach up to 300 kilowatts, which would allow it to increase thrust up to 6 Nu and could reach a minimum speed of 100 kilometers d or 360,000 kilometers per hour, which is certainly much higher than the average speed of a chemical rocket, which is only in the range of 30 to 40,000 kilometers per hour.
Roscosmos making plasma rocket engine.
This engine is predicted to sometimes be able